What's up, Dent coin holder? So this is very urgent and very latest update for Dent coin holder. My friends, Dent coin is completely fails down at the end. This time Dent has completely fails down, and what we do in this critical situation, this is the end of month and a lot of holders do very big mistake to this sell or hold without any research. So this is very big mistake. So please, after watch this video, you decide to this is selling or holding time. So let's start the live price prediction, my friend, to upcoming days. They moving up or they fails down, and what the current reading, my friend, they going up or they fails down. So please subscribe. Before I get started this video, subscribe this channel, click the red button and press bell icon for videos notification. This channel guide you, update you every time. Thank you so much for subscription. Like this video also, my friend. Thank you so much. Okay, this time if you can see here, my friend, the last 3 days charts I already opened it, and the last 3 days they gone very fastly up, plus 23.29% they go up, my friend. Very good for jump, my friend, and this time they take a very good jump. So if they're moving in this style, then I hope in upcoming days they also good going up like a rocket. So let's see the last 7 days chart to what's going on in the last 7 days chart. If they take a sometime falls, then exactly, my friend, I prove you to upcoming days they also take a very high jump. Yes, exactly, you can see here in the last 7 days chart, this is very important. You can see here I draw a line one, they touch the highest point, you can see here, and a second line, you can see here they touch the lowest point. So after this falls, my friends, they take a jump. You can see here they starting jump completely, they starting jump, my friend. And you can see here if I draw the resistance line is come to here, my friend. So if you can see here the resistance lines, they cross it, and this time you can see here they cross it, that they are in the profit. The price is going up, so definitely, my friend, and the price is going up. This is the end of month, and therefore people starting buy it, invest, because to we sell it just at the end of this month, at the end date, my friend. And then this give you a very good profit. They give you very good profit. They make you millionaire just in 2 or 3 days. So therefore, my friend, if you are a short term investor, then absolutely this is good time for you, my friend, to you just wait one day more and then sell it. Exactly, my friend, the price is going very fastly moving up, so you just sell it for 2 days. After 2 days or 1 day, then absolutely they give you very good profit. So Dent holder, I hope you understand to just sell it, and after 1 day or 2 day, I hope they give you very good profit. So upcoming days they going up like a rocket. So Dent coin holder, please understand what I talk you. This is my opinion. I share my personal experience, my friend. So please, if you sell it and this time, then you are in the loss. But if you wait just 2 or 3 days, then I hope they give you very good profit. They make you millionaire. So thanks for watching Dent coin holder. Hope you understand. This is my prediction to upcoming days. They go up. Please hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. Thanks for laughing. Take care.